Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, CHEELAH Beauty, and yes, today's video is basically another techniques on how to do your makeup without foundation, and it's gonna look snatch. Guys, can you see the full look? Guys, don't mind me, I just need to receive hair because Nigeria is hot right now. So guys, I'm going to my I've already drawn my brows, and I'm going to conceal it with my pro concealer in the shade Cocoa and Tan. And yes, I'm going to outline my brows concealer. And yes, so I'm using my angle brush to outline my brow, and I'm using my Cocoa concealer for my underbrow. Yes, for the side I'm actually using the Tan. I mixed the concealer together to get my perfect shade, and I'm going to my cleaning brush to clean out the concealer. And yeah, so next I'm going to take the dark shade of my concealer, which is Cocoa, and to outline the top brows. I will make sure I am always gently when it comes to this side, because your girl is not yet perfect on when drawing brows. So I'm actually going to try and perfect the brows. If it is to add more to detail, I will do that for me to get the perfect brows. So I'm going next to my flawless primer. Yes, this primer is a bomb, guys, trust me. So I'm going to make sure I'm actually using my hand because I'm more comfortable using my hand when it comes to doing my own makeup for my eyeshadow primer. So I'll make sure I blend it inside my skin. So I'm actually going to my my brush to clean or to blend it very well. Next is my favorite eyeshadow, Juvia palette and my Morphe palette. Those are my favorite eyeshadow. I really love this eyeshadow. So I'm going to the shade pink, not like really pink, just like a purple and a touch of nude. That's what I'm using for my eyeshadow. And guys, this makeup with this eyeshadow really pops out very well. So I didn't expect it's going to pop out, because this is my first time of using this type of shouty eyeshadow, but I love it. I already did my eyeliner, and I used my flawless eyeliner gel. So I'm trying to conceal the wings to pop it out and to make it defined. That's what I'm going to use. So guys, just watch as I blend out. So I'm going to my, this is the real Cocoa of the makeup. I said I wasn't going to use foundation, and I actually wanted to try new technique, so I go straight to my concealer. So I'm going to try and conceal instead of foundation. So just sit and watch how it's going to turn out. Blend it out with my blending foam. Guys, this blending foam is so soft, so I'm going to try and blend and blend and blend till I get, till I'm perfect, like, what would I say, till I actually am satisfied. So guys, just watch. Next is my contour. I am going straight to my contour palette. This palette I've been using it for 2 years now, and I love the way it comes out, because the fact that it can be used on a dark skin and it's going to show that transition, it's a bomb. Because I normally use my darker shade in my powder palette to contour, but this is really nice. I actually wanted to retry it on my face, so I am going to blend it out as much as I can blend. I blend, you know, for you to get your flawless makeup look, you have to learn how to blend in as much as you can blend. So guys, stay tuned. And yes, it is my nose area. Anyone that knows me knows I love this nose area when it comes to contouring. Yay! So I'm going to my powder palette. Yeah, that's the magic, right? The next is my favorite lashes by CHEELAH. That is my brand, and yes, I love these lashes. The fact that it's a glueless lashes. Actually, this is my first time of using these lashes, because I have not launched it, but very soon I'll soon launch the lashes. So it's a glueless lashes, and I'm not using glue. So guys, this lashes is just so simple and beautiful. So I'm going straight to my powder palette, flawless powder palette. Guys, I love the finished look of this powder palette. It is so good. I love the finished look of this when I use this flawless powder palette. So guys, this is the finished look of my makeup without foundation. I love learning new techniques, new things when it comes to makeup. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and yeah, if you want us to bring video like this, just comment in the comment section. I'm going to put all the products I use in my description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's your girl again, CHEELAH Beauty, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.